The Chevy Avalanche is the most flexible vehicle out there, boasting the passenger options of an SUV and the cargo options of a pickup. The handsome, rugged exterior features large projector beam headlamps, a three-piece cargo cover with lockable top-box storage, and a rear-view camera system. In addition, large wheels, shapely fender flares, and body-colored trim complement Avalanche's upscale appearance. Passengers enjoy luxuries like available OnStar services, Bose audio system with XM satellite radio standard, and Bluetooth connectivity enhance traveling comfort, while Avalanche's convertible midgate allows roomy seating for 6 or a full-size crew cab for serious hauling. The Avalanche is available with a 5.3-liter 320 horsepower V8 engine with active fuel management and E85 flex fuel capability. In addition, Chevy's tow haul mode maximizes the engine's performance while towing over 8,000 pounds. Avalanche offers a wealth of style, luxury, utility, and safety, making it a real full-size value.